Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for your graduation tickets if you are an eligible graduating or promoting student. So you might have a lot of different ways to get to the graduation ticket website. You might have seen it on the district webpage, you might have received it in an email, but you can also get to it through the app portal. And that's what I have open here is the app portal. And I'm going to look for the tile that says graduation tickets and click on that. That's going to go ahead and open up a new tab with our congratulations to our graduates. And if we scroll down here, there's an announcement section. Please be sure to read this announcement section as it's going to have important information on graduating. One of the most important takeaways from this announcement section, though, is that you are allowed a max of 2 guest tickets. And each person needs a ticket. So that means you have a maximum of 2 guests, and you can register for those guest tickets while filling out this process. Additionally, if you do have any questions, you would like to request a single seat, or if you need any sort of ADA seating, you can email us at graduation@mcsforkids.com. So again, if you have any questions, reach out to that email and they will be able to help you. Once you've read through the announcements and you're ready to book your tickets, go ahead and click on Guest Tickets. As a reminder, you must be eligible for promotion or graduation to use this system. And on this screen here, you'll be prompted to enter your student ID number and your date of birth. So we'll go ahead and enter that now. Once I have my student ID entered here, I can go ahead and click on here to enter my date of birth. And I'm going to have to enter this with this drop-down calendar here. So what I like to do is pick the year first, then pick the month, then select the date. If you happen to pick the wrong date for whatever reason, it's easiest just to refresh the screen and just try again. Once you have your ID and date of birth entered, go ahead and click Go. And you'll be prompted here to register for your ceremony. Please note here it says guest ticket $0. That's never going to change. We are not going to charge you for your guest tickets here. It's just a price field that you're going to see. Before you continue registering here, you should see your ceremony date for your graduation ceremony, your time, as well as the venue that you will be graduating in. So just verify all this information here. And then let's go ahead and register for our guests as well. So I'm going to go ahead and bump this up to 2 because I do have 2 guests attending, and I'll click Next. Please note you won't be able to go over 2 tickets. You can only do up to 2. And if you do email for ADA seating, that will come out of your 2 tickets as well. Once I confirm my 2 tickets here, I do need to enter my guest information. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. And please fill this out to the best of your ability, and note that all fields here are required. Got my first guest done. I'll go ahead and just do the second guest. Same information here, their name, their phone number, and their email address. And finally, their zip code. Once you have all of this information, you can go ahead and click Submit. Once you hit Submit, you'll get a notification here that says the product has been successfully added to the cart, and you can go ahead and click Submit Order. And then you'll get this confirmation here that you have successfully registered for your commencement ceremony. And it'll remind you that you will get a copy of your guest tickets in your email within 30 minutes. And with a reminder of checking your junk folder if you don't see that right away. And you can always contact graduation@mcsforkids.com if it's not in the junk folder. Now let's check our email for these tickets. So I happen to have the app portal tab still open. So I'm going to go ahead and go back into my app portal. And I'm going to look for an app on here that says Office 365 Suite or Outlook. I want to go directly to my email, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Outlook. And once I come into Outlook, I'm going to see my email here. And my email is divided into some separate conversations. So if I don't see my email from GradPack here, I might want to click on the word Other here at the top. And there is my GradPack order. I can go ahead and click on this email to load it up. And I am going to get confirmation here of my order. If I feel like some information is missing, I can click Show Blocked Content here, and this will just load up my confirmation here. Attached to this email is a PDF with my tickets, and in the next video we are going to talk about how to decipher this PDF and how to use this to check in for graduation and how to get your guests to use this to check in for graduation. So stay tuned for the next video, but thank you for watching this video on how to register for your graduation.